strap. Small med nga lang to. Or small, best fit, ha? Small semi-med, adjustable strap, old rose color. Small, semi-med lang, ha? Code ako old rose 690. This one is adjustable strap. Old rose for 690 pesos. Uy, may 7 Wonders. Branded by 7 Wonders, mga madam. Super cotton yung tela. Best fit medium large po. Code ako ng 7. Code 7, 690. 7, 690. Chris, meron tayong red na plain. This one. Best fit large. Smacking ang likod, pa-pop sleeves. Okay. Best fit large XL, pa-puff. Smacking ang likod. Best fit up to XL. Code is pula. 690 pula. DL Old Rose. Eileen, yours na po. Ito si Eileen Miman, yung minor or old na to, no? Okay. Eileen, ma'am, yours na to, ha? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, yours na to. Another pa-puff na on the go. Oh, Sherry, ito na. Medium large, size 10, ha? Pa-puff, linen din to, ha? Side zipper po, ha? Medium large, hanggang large pasok to, mga madam. Code is puff. 690, code is puff. 690 pesos. Okay, next. This one is small. Zipper back. Yung mga mahilig sa vintage, this is the one. Zipper back, best fit extra small to small lang, ha? Double lining. Tapos, ganyan yung sleeves niya. Zipper back. Extra small to small. Code is vintage. 690 lang. Vintage, 690 pesos. Si White, uy, imayin nyo to si White. This one is branded by Ali. Small, medium, pa-puff. Okay, small, medium, pa-puff. Branded by Ali, mga madam, ha? Ayan siya. Tapos may paganyan. Full smack yung bewang. Code ako White, 690. White, 690. Maxi, wala akong Maxi, mahal. Wala tayong Maxi, ha? Uy, ang ganda. Dahil cut. Pero para kailangan nyo mag-tube dito, mahal. Okay. Carry to hanggang medium. Carry hanggang medium, semi-large. Carry hanggang medium, semi-large. Code ako dito ng perfect. 690. Perfect, 690. Dada! I love you. Miss you, be. Miss you, be. Miss you, bakla. Kailan tayo magkikita? Kailan na tayo magkikita? Ay, papuff to. Full smack, bakla. Full smack, linen. Ay, ang ganda. Okay, this one is up to large. Medium large, square neck, full smack, and then linen papuff. Code square, 690. Code square, 690 pesos. Code is square. Square. Ay, shit, ang ganda. Oh, eto. Size large, papuff. Size large pa pa, sweetheart neckline pa to, ha? Kaya ito ng large XL kasi sobrang, ano siya, sobrang stretchable, and then this one is cotton, pabastir. Branded by Edited, large XL, ha? Code black floral, 690. I know, right? Na-mine na. Charot. Okay. Old na po, admin, konti lang naman mine, pero nasuot ko na. Super pretty. Thank you, Miss Eileen. Miss Eileen, thank you so much. Okay, next is... Ano pa? Ano ba ito, ma'am? Alin? Wala namang wait. Uli. Saan? Parang wala akong nakita. Saan mo nilagay? Uy, self-tie mga bading, XL. Side zipper, tapos gingham print pa siya. XL self-tie mga madam, ha. XL self-tie, side zipper. Code is self-tie, double lining. Ang gundo. 690, code self-tie. Mine suot. Naku, namay na tong suot ko mga bakla. Okay, next. This one is small mids. Smacking ang likod. Kasya to sa akin, ha. Tapos linen to, na parang maxi na. This one is branded by Target, linen. Side zipper, smacking yung likod, ha, with belt. Ang ganda nito. Code ako, Madam, 690. Madam, 690, small, medium yan. Eileen, yours na si self-tie, Eileen. Canarias. Ha? May nag-double lock. Yun lang. Ren! Madam Ren, yours na to. Miss Ren, 123, 123. Yours na to. Napakaganda. Super pretty. Ito yung padded. Pink. Adjustable strap padded, mga madam. This one is padded. Ang ganda. Best fit to large, mga madam. Adjustable strap padded. Baby pink. Ay, Barbie pink. Okay. Code is Barbie. Size large is making ang likod. Pwede ring medium. Code is Barbie 690. Adjustable strap. Barbie 690. Barbie 690. Naku, wala na tayong small na self-tie. Ay, parang meron. This one. Super liit, ha? Extra small to small, branded by Ava. Huh? Ay, hindi. Small med to, mga madam. Actually, size 12 on tag siya. Small semi-med, self-tie, zipper back, ha? Code ako Ever 690. Ever 690. Small yan. Code is Ever 690. Ever. Ano yun? Sino? Hindi po siya kalalo. Okay, next one. Next is XL. Adjustable strap. And then this one is cotton 2, nabagsak. Adjustable strap branded by JJ's. Okay, XL to na wrap around nabagsak. Code ako wrap around XL 690, sorry. XL. Uy, ito, maganda. XL mahal. Okay. This one is branded by Sports Girl Me. Double lining na rin yan, ha. Okay, ganda. Code ako dito ng XL 690. XL 690 pesos. Code is XL. Ito ang ganda. Branded by Sage Plus Page, size large. Napaka-sexy. Tingnan nyo kung gaano kaganda. Kaya lang sobrang sexy talaga. Okay, 690. Code is sexy, size large. Brand nyo ng Sage Plus Page. Si Barbie, Chris, ito padded to, bakla, tapos full smack. Pwede siya sa medium large actually. Pwede siya sa medium large. Okay, that's the Barbie. Ganda nito, kaya lang napaka-sexy. Super duper sexy. Okay, size 14, black, brand new. Brand new by Atmos and Here, size 14. Ganda. Code is black, 690 black, brand new XL. Ay, Catherine, ito medium pero na double lock na to, mahal. Ang ganda nitong Zara, oh. Size is small. Ang ganda. Tapos backless na ganyan. Okay, branded by Zara. Small lang to, mga madam. Super pretty. Napaka-elegante. Code is Elegant 690. Size small. Really? Okay, next. Above the knee. Joanne, hindi siya above the knee. Below the knee siya. Below the knee. 5'2" ako, ha. Siguro kung matangkad ka, magiging above the knee na siya. Okay, next one is ay, Zara. Ang ganda. Okay, Zara basic, mga madam, medium. Soft linen yung tela, and then pa-button down yung dito, ha. Okay, this one is again Zara, medium on tag. Code ako dito ng printed. Uy, Garty Royce. Medium semi-large printed, 690. Printed, 690 pesos. Okay, next, this one, branded by George Papaf. This one is Best Fit Large XL to, mga madam. Okay, code Polka 690, Polka 690 pesos. Code is Polka. Uy, ang pretty nito. Branded by Miss Selfridge, size is small. Zipper back, pabakuna style, ganda. Army green color. Code is Army 690. Army 690, small lang. Macy printed, yours na to. 690 Macy. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, Macy, yours na to. O, Macy, another Zara, plain. Soft linen, tapos meron siyang dito. Maganda to bakla. Yung mga ganitong cut, kasi may belt siya. Belt siyang ganyan. This one is medium on tag ni Zara. Ay, small on tag, pero carry to medium be. Ang ganda. Code dark pink, 690, soft linen. Black printed. Ay, si Madam Perez.